Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing some active noise cancelling wireless Bluetooth headphones. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're taking a closer look at the YeeTonda Y77 headset, and this is actually a pair of active noise cancelling headphones. It has deep bass, it has hi-fi sound quality or stereo quality. They're lightweight, you can use them for up to 30 hours on a single charge, and you also have the ability to plug in an auxiliary cable into them. So if you want to use them infinitely or as long as you need to, you have that option as well. They're Bluetooth, they're wireless, and they also have a bunch of media controls and functionalities on the headphones themselves. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns? Leave a comment. Enjoy the video, leave a like, and then also share this video out to anybody who may be interested in some sort of headphone or headset. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product, get more details or specifications about it, that kind of stuff will be down below in the description for those who are interested, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this exact model that we're reviewing today. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So as you guys can see, the overall packaging is very interesting. I like the orange and black that they kind of went with this packaging. We do get a visual aid or visual representation of the headphones themselves, and there's a few specifications and details all throughout the box, which we're all going to take a closer look at with a secondary camera angle. So on the front of the box, it just says YeeTonda, which is the company's name. We have a visual representation like I mentioned. On the back side, there's a few more specifications. It's lightweight design for comfortable fit, breathable mesh and soft memory protein ear pads, hi-fi stereo sound and deep bass, up to 30 hours of battery life, and then clear calls with the CVC 8.0 dual mic technology. So we're just going to kind of shake this and kind of get it to kind of slide out. We're actually instantly greeted with some sort of like plastic material. I guess it's to protect the headphones themselves. And the headphones actually do come in a nice carrying case. Very interesting. All the accessories, the headphones and everything are included inside the case. So let's actually open it up. And this case is actually really nice. It's a hard-proof kind of case, and it kind of keeps everything protected when you're not using the headphones. So let's take a look at all the different features we get. So we got a product service card, which is really nice, and we also have this user manual, which gives you guys all the specific details on how to use this product, all the different features and things you can actually do with the exact headphones. And then inside this bag, we have included a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio jack, and then we also have looks like this is a micro USB to USB type A cable for charging purposes when we need to actually charge up this headset. So overall, really very interesting. We're going to put it off to the side, and now we're going to take a look at the actual headphones themselves. So these do look like to be swivel, so you can actually swivel these around, and you guys can see this is how the headphones look like on the back side. Very nice glossy design and finishing. Look at that. Wow. And it's not actually black, it's more of a gray or like space gray. There you go. So it's not even like a black look to them. The top is, obviously has nice leather-ish kind of like, padding. We do get our left and right indications, so you guys can see left and right in our ear cuffs, and also on the sides of the actual headphones themselves. So there's two ways to identify what side is what with these headphones, which is really cool. You can also extend these headphones, I believe, to fit your desired length. So you can easily extend this to fit your head if your head is big or you need more headroom with these headphones. We also have all our different ports on the side of these headphones. So you guys can see we have off, active noise cancelling in the middle, and we have our off on the very bottom of that functionality. And then we also have our micro USB port to charge up these headphones. We have our 3.5mm audio jack, and then we also got all our different media buttons. So we have our power on and off, our volume up, volume down. We even have our LED indication in the middle right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. And overall, the padding is really nice with these headphones. They feel really nice, and I believe I read that these have like memory foam like kind of material, so these are going to be very comfortable when we actually set these on our heads and actually test them out. So what we're going to do now is just proceed with the testing and demonstration where we test out these headphones. Why don't we actually just power this on, and then we'll put it on our heads just to see how it feels. So we're going to power it on. It said power on, and I can hear it making beeping noises, and I can even see an LED indication at the bottom, and you guys can see it's flickering between red and blue. So that's how you know if it's on Bluetooth mode. But let me actually put this on my ears. I'm gonna put the left side on my left, the right side on my right. And I can tell you guys, yes, there is noise canceling with these headphones without even turning on active noise canceling. The muffs are very comfortable, like they mentioned. You know, I'm pretty sure they do have some sort of like memory foam like material, but they do sit on top of my ears. My ears do not fit inside the earmuffs themselves, so do keep that in mind. The fit looks good. This is how it looks like on my right side. You guys can see it looks nice. This is my left side, also looks really nice. And if I shake around, these are not coming off. So let's go into my Bluetooth settings. We're gonna go into my Bluetooth settings. There we go, more settings. Go down the list, and we're gonna add this device because it's probably gonna show up here at the bottom, and you guys can see it says YeeTonda Y77. So we should be good to go. I'm gonna open up my audio streaming service. We're gonna test this out with some songs, and then we're gonna proceed with our mic test. All right, I have a song pulled up now, and then what I'm gonna do is actually gradually increase my volume. So I'm gonna click play. I'm gonna gradually increase the volume. Have it almost at max volume. Okay, max volume, and it even did a beeping notification letting me know that it is at max volume, which is nice. And let's just kind of listen to this. Wow. Man, okay, I'm not trying to exaggerate or anything. The bass is powerful with these headphones. The bass is very powerful. They did a really good job emphasizing on the bass. But hopefully that doesn't drown out all the other characteristics. So let me listen more to the song. No, not bad. So it doesn't drown out anything, you know. Very good. They did a good job balancing. Bass is there. I can hear the highs, the mids of the song really nicely. Not bad. Let me give you guys a sound sample. But honestly, not bad for this pair of headphones. I was not really expecting much considering the price of these headphones, but they did a good job of kind of balancing everything. You can hear the bass. You guys can hear that, right? The bass is actually really strong. Look at that. Look at that. Really nice. Wow, okay. I'm telling you guys, it's not always the expensive products that get people's, you know, minds or attention, you know. There's a lot of budget products that are really functional and even exceed some of the expensive stuff. So I'm really impressed with the quality I'm getting. Let's find another song so I can test out the active noise canceling real quick. All right, I have another song. Let's test this song out with the active noise canceling on. So right now I have active noise canceling on, I believe. Yep, I have active noise canceling on. And I can even tell it's harder for me to even listen to myself. Even though I'm speaking loudly, it doesn't sound like I'm speaking loudly. Let me get to the bass of the song a little bit. And this is kind of like an Afro beat, so this is more mellow compared to the last song we tested out. Yeah, and now let me switch off active noise canceling to see the difference. Switch it back on. Okay, this is very interesting. So with active noise canceling on, it seems like the bass is actually more emphasized and the music is a little bit more muddier, but not like muddy. Like it sounds like I actually prefer the active noise canceling on. But without active noise canceling on, it sounds like the music is more opened up, you know? Like it sounds like you're in a hallway or like a concert where like the music's kind of open. And this is with active noise canceling, it's kind of more shallow. It kind of keeps the music kind of enclosed in, you know, a tight area. So that's the best way I can explain it. So basically what I'm saying is both ways it sounds really nice with these headphones. Give you guys a sound sample. And this is with active noise canceling on at the moment. But man, I like these songs, man. The song sounds really nice. The music quality is really nice with these headphones, as you guys can see. But not bad at all. And then if I switch off active noise canceling, you guys will hear the difference. Let me switch it off. So this is active noise canceling off. Switch it back on. Active noise canceling on. Switch it back on. Or on, I should say. There we go. After active noise canceling off, switch it back on. Active noise canceling on. So you guys can see this difference is really subtle, but there is a difference between those two different modes. But I like how it's not really, you know, drastic. You know, a lot of headphones I reviewed, when you switch off between active noise canceling on and off, it's really drastic. Like sometimes the music quality just deteriorates completely. But with these headphones, it's nice knowing that that's not the case. So overall, very happy and very impressed with the quality that I'm getting with these headphones. But what I'm going to do now is actually pause the music, and what we're going to do is actually proceed to our microphone test. So I have my voice recorder application opened up. I'm going to put these back on my ears, and once I click on this red button, it's going to start capturing the audio of these headphones. So this is the sound quality of these headphones. How does the microphone sound like? Is it loud and direct? Can you guys hear me nicely and loudly? Do you hear a lot of the static or background noise that you typically get with a lot of headphones and stuff? Or is it doing a good job of actually focusing and emphasizing on my voice? Hopefully it's doing a really good job right now. I can even move my phone around just to test out the Bluetooth range, because it really should not be breaking out from that point. You know, that's not really a huge difference, or distance I should say. And hopefully it's capturing my voice, you know, with active noise canceling microphones. It should be able to actually emphasize on my voice and kind of minimize the background ambient noise that you typically get when you are filming with a lot of these microphones. So hopefully it does a fantastic job. And what I'm going to do now is actually listen back to this recording and give you guys what I feel about how the microphone actually sounds like. So I just listened back to the audio that this microphone actually captured, and honestly, it did a fantastic job overall. It was actually doing a good job of actually emphasizing on my voice and not really focusing on a lot of the background noise. So overall, this is a decent, you know, pair of microphones that are actually built into this headphones. So if you're using this for Zoom conferences, meetings, playing games, or just talking to people on the phone, this will do a fantastic job. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the final opinions and remarks and end off this video. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about this YeeTonda Y77 pair of headphones? Well, these actually did a fantastic job. What I'm actually going to do is power them off. But yes, they did actually a really good job, surprisingly. You know, the sound quality was good. Everything about it was actually really good. Microphone quality was also really decent. It was able to capture my voice substantially. And even the music quality, a lot of good bass emphasis, and also with the active noise canceling being on and off, the music quality didn't deteriorate like I mentioned with a lot of other headphones that typically do. But that is going to wrap up our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment. Enjoy the video, leave a like, and then also share this video out to anybody who may be interested in some sort of wireless headphone system. Also, if you're a company or business wanting to potentially work with me, our business inquiries email is CrewElite at outlook.com. You guys want to, send any emails off to me, you can do so by going through that email address. Or if you need any assistance with this product, you guys can also utilize that email to send me, any inquiries or any questions about these headphones as well. Lastly, product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the description for those who are interested, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying these headphones. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making this video, and I hope to see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing off. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.